Hey guys, today we are going to solve this problem, maximize happiness of selected children. So here we have given a happiness array with length n and a positive number k, where we can select. So these are n children, which are representing a happiness with a happiness I. We have to select k children from these n, and each terms when we select as children, so happiness of children that haven't selected till now will get decreased by 1. So we have to consider these conditions uh, to maximize it. So happiness can't be negative and get decrement only if it is positive. Okay, now we have to maximize the sum of the happiness of selected children you can achieve by selecting the k children. So it is seems pretty much straightforward. uh, uh, in first term, when we are selecting a index from the happiness, then we have to decrease which are not selected by 1 if it is a positive value. So to maximize it, so it seems pretty much straightforward. We have to choose the happiness which have maximum value first, and second turn the second max, then third turn third max. So if you look here, so what we have to do, once we are selecting the maximum one, then we have to decrease the other which are not selected by 1 if it is positive. So if we are going to do in this way, so uh, it will take much more time. So basically, if we are selecting k elements, then we are decreasing other elements. So it will be k into n. But if we look at the constraint, so constraint n can be 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 5, and k can be less than equal to n. So obviously that will not work. So we have to think uh, a better approach. So what it seems is, because we already know we have to choose maximum first, then second maximum, then third maximum. So we have already a data structure in Java, which is priority queue, or we can say max or min heap. So by default, the priority queue behavior is min heap. So we have to convert into max heap, and we can do that one. So let's try to do that. Priority queue integer, okay, and then we will name it as max heap. New priority queue, and here what we will do, we will take a, we have to convert it to max heap. So we will just put this uh, comparator in lambda expression here. Now it is max heap. Now what we will do, we will go through each one and add in this max up, we are going to add it. Okay, once that will be done, we have to iterate all the elements from 0 to less than k. K, we have to select k children, so we are going to iterate, and we will take the maximum one first. So we will have to pull from max shape, and here we will take total value. Okay, initially it will be 0. Now once we are getting this, what we will have to do, total plus, so we have to add this mat dot max, because a value can't be negative. So current minus I, because after this ith turn we are choosing, so we will have to do minus. Okay, Now we will return this total answer. Now let's try to run it. Oh, sample code. Okay, where we are making mistake. Current happiness. Okay, spell mistake. Now let's try to run it. So it is working for sample test cases. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's working fine.